Hey everybody, we're back. Last time, three-dimensional graphing. So here's a little quick graph that I made. I'm going to show you how to make this with a piece of scratch paper. But real quick, couple things that I wanted to finish off. Again, here's X, here's Y, and here's the Z axis. You can look at the corner of any room and see this taking place. This is a flat plane, a surface. There's a flat plane, and here's a flat plane. And we got points on the graph. So I'm just going to look at a couple points. If I go in the X direction, let's say I go 5 units in the X direction, 5 units in the Y direction. I want to find that point on the graph. That point is 5, 5, 0, because I didn't go any in the Z direction, right there. But what if I go to 5, 5, 5? Well, then I'm just going to go up 5 units, right about there. That point in space is 5, 5, 5. And I can do that in any direction. If I go, let's come up with a point. How about, let's graph 4, 0, 6. So X is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 0, so we're not going to come this way at all. We're just going to go up 6. There's a point on the graph. That's the point 4, 0, 6. So we have points in space, we have points on the planes, and we have graphing three-dimensional planes. So I'm going to show you how to make that real quick with a piece of scratch paper. Take a piece of scratch paper. This was in a trash can, so I know it's scratch paper. So I'm going to make a square first thing, and then I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to draw an XY coordinate plane right on there. So let's draw it real fast. So here's X, here's Y. And now I'm going to cut out one of the corners. Okay? When I cut out one of the corners, this is going to make my, that's in 2 dimensions, now we're going to 3 dimensions. So you guys are going to do this on your own. You can do it with any piece of paper. We're just going to fold this together. Fold right on top of the line, right there. Okay. Fold the other one right over. There we go. I fold them back up. There's our three-dimensional coordinate system, just like the box. You guys are going to make that on your own, find points on the graph. And we're going to graph planes.